Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. If this is your first time here, you're definitely on the right channel. Please consider clicking the subscribe button so you can join the fam. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming here when I post new videos. So it's gonna be Christmas in a few days and I'm a foodie, so anything food related I'm always gonna be there. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna be making noodles, but I'm going to try to recreate what we have here. So this is pretty much what it looks like on the pack, and my end goal is to recreate this or do something even better. Okay, like, yeah, I don't know. So I'm going to be doing that, and that's pretty much what we're going to be doing in this video. So if you want to see what the outcome is, definitely keep on watching. So this is everything that I'll be using for this video. Of course, we have the noodles, which is the most important, you know, ingredient here. So yeah, the whole point of this video is really to recreate whatever we have in this pack. So I'm going to try to do that as much as possible, or pretty much just come up with something that I feel looks similar and something that will be nice for me to eat. So yeah, we'll see. I generally don't like raw onion, so I don't even know if I'm going to put the onion. Maybe I'll just put the onion there for, you know, for the pictures. I don't know, but we'll see. So I have the noodles, I have green bell pepper, red bell pepper, green onions, carrots, tomatoes, onion, of course. Then I have 1 egg, and then this is turkey that I grilled in the oven. So I just boiled the turkey and put it in the oven because I don't like to fry stuff. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, of course, I'm just gonna go ahead to clean the veggies, you know, and chop them off, and we would start cooking. So this is pretty much what I feel would be enough for me. This is the red bell pepper and the green bell pepper, and yeah, I forgot to add the scotch bonnet pepper. If you're an OG on this channel, you will know that I like heat in my food, so yeah, I had to add that. I wasn't sure if I wanted to add an extra one, but I'm like, girl, take it easy, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead to chop these, and yeah. So regularly I wouldn't put this much veggies in my noodles, but because I'm trying to recreate whatever is there, make my indomie look fancy. That is why I'm doing what I'm doing. So please don't be deceived. I don't do this every other time I make noodles. It is not me, but the point of this video is to recreate that, right? So we move. Am I the only person that likes eating tomatoes raw? Like, some people think I'm weird because I eat tomatoes raw. It's not like I can sit down and eat a whole like bowl of raw tomatoes. No, like 1 or 2, right? I just do it, and sometimes I just like sprinkle salt on it and eat my tomatoes. Like, who else eats tomatoes raw? Please tell me in the comment section. And I like the ones that are hard, of course, anyways, like not the ones that are very softy, like, yeah. So this is everything that I chopped. I have carrot here, spring onions, red bell pepper, onions, tomatoes, green bell pepper, and here I just have the scotch bonnet pepper and onion. I left these onions just because they had onions here for garnishing. So yeah, we're just gonna see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So over here I just have my pot with water boiling. So once the water boils, I would add the noodles, and yeah, I don't know, am I the only person that likes to, like, would I say parboil my noodles first? So I like to boil my noodles, pour it out, and then add the spices and everything. Does anyone else cook their noodles that way? Because that's how I like to cook my noodles. So I'm just going to leave this to boil and then I'll be back. So guys, I had to reduce the amount of vegetables that we had, and this is what I took out, and this is what we have left in the pot. I'm not a big fan of vegetables, so I feel like it just makes sense for me to reduce it. Some people might not mind, but yeah, considering the amount of indomie we are going to be making, it just makes sense to reduce it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead to add the seasoning and then the noodles, and that would be all, to be very honest. Like, I don't know, I feel like I just had fun slicing all the vegetables and everything was looking so nice to me. So then I cut a lot more than we needed, but yeah, I can always use that for stir fry, like fried rice, whatever, so I don't think that's a problem. And yeah, I'll just go ahead to continue. So yeah, I'm just going to stir and then I'll add the noodles. So I already said I don't like onion, but we're trying to recreate the picture, right? So it's not going to kill me to add some onion. Okay, now, like, see, I didn't come here to play. Like, what do you guys think? What you rate? I don't think this is bad. Like, you guys, I'm feeling myself. Like, this is so good. I feel like I did well, and I'm so happy to have this as dinner today. I'm actually so hungry, so I'm excited to have this today. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So that's the pack I was trying to recreate, and I think I did good. Like, this is what I made, and I tasted it, and it tastes so good. So yeah, I can't wait to start digging in. Like, yo, I'll see you later. I gotta eat, okay? Bye. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you still haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so, and I'll see you in my next video. But until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.